What it do, YouTube? This your boy D-Boy the Beast. I got that toner. I got that toner in. I've been had it, but I had it about 2 months, but I never installed it. But this the Diablo Tune 3 Platinum GM 3620 is the number. This the one I got for my truck. And I got a 2013 GMC Sierra. That's what I got. 5.3 engine. But I'm gonna do a before and after drive test for y'all. And I'm finna trying to do a burnout right now before I install it. I'm finna do a burnout. See, I already know I can't do one, but I'm about to do it. First 0 to 60 mile per hour before the iTunes. Hey, y'all ready for this? Hey, let's go. When I say go, go, go. As y'all can see in the video, the before 0 to 60, 11.60. That shit is fucking slow to me. That's slow. I know it's a big ass truck, but I still think that's pretty good. But I'm finna get ready to install this soon on it now. Y'all come on with it. Let's make this a necklace. I'm gonna go around like this. What's up, y'all? I got this Diablo Tune. Diablo Tune. There you go. Y'all see that? That Diablo Sport Tune is designed to increase vehicle performance and fuel economy. Never use the Tune during vehicle operation. Do you agree to these terms? Yup. I guess where I go, tune vehicle. Let's see, tune vehicle. Ensure that the key is in the run position, but do not start the engine. It's on the run position. Continue. Please wait. That's what it's saying. Please wait. Let's wait on it. Let's wait on it. Let's see what this thing gonna do. See, is it worth the money? Let me see, can I do it? There you go. Easy tune, advanced tune. Let's try easy tune. They do the 93 octane. It's blurry. There you go. Yep. Yes. Install standard tune. Yes. Transferring shield tune. Or shield. I don't know. I think I want firm shield. I do firm shield. Focus. Yeah. No. I'm not messing with none of that. Remove speed limiter. Oh yeah, most definitely. The I3 will now read backup from the vehicle. Tap yes to continue or no to abort. Yes. Now it's downloading my factory tune. It's backing it up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Reading back up. Reading back up. I'm ready to see what this thing gonna do. Doing all the door unlock stuff. I know y'all heard. It said Diablo Tune with speed limit removed. Install this tune. Yes. Can you see that, my beautiful lady? You can see that?
Not really.
You see it?
It's like a glare.
Apply select tune with tire size, gear ratio, and speed limit as selected. Yes. Yeah, I pray and hope I don't tear my truck up with that 93 octane tune. I'm gonna drop it back down to something else. Right in the tune. Oh, snap, sugar note. Man, come on, man. I'm so anxious. The boy is anxious. Doing the little door check and all that. Right tune. Man, I believe the little thing gonna be worth it though. Now it's writing the tune to the firm shift tune. I think I'm gonna get another drive shaft put on here too, man. But that I heard the factory on drive shaft bad when you go over 100. It'll fall off or do something. But you know I gotta replace that. That big gray looking ass thing. Tuning complete, you may unplug the tool and enjoy driving the vehicle or tap continue to reboot. Come on, what? Well, YouTube, We about to do that after 0 to 60. Let's see what the baby go do. But first I'm gonna do my burnout first, cause I couldn't do it before the tune. Let's get to the burnout. Yeah, YouTube, I already installed the Diablo Tune. And we go ahead right there to modify. We finna turn this active fuel man shit off. Let's go to ECM first. And them all the things right there. I ain't messing with none of that. DOD, active fuel man calibration. Hard to see from the side. Go click on that. You finna turn that off. You see on or off, YouTube? Let's turn that thing off. Off. Set DOD AFM on or off. Set to off, yes. There with that range. What that thing? There with that range for deactivate that, but now it's permanently off now. Active fuel management system off. DOD off. Alright, let's get it. Let me do this burnout right quick. That's it. Did a burnout on that thing. Wow. Did y'all see that? It didn't do nothing, but alright, YouTube, did the second round. This the after 0 to 60. Let's see what that thing gonna do. You ready, Sugar Note? On your good march. Get set. Go. Hell yeah. I'm finna show y'all this time. Y'all ain't gonna believe this shit. Hold on. Let this car pass by. Might be the police. Might be the undercover police in this phone in my hand. I believe she hit that stop button too late, but hell, it's still good enough for me. Boom! What the last one was, 11.60? Hey, this 8.72 when I installed the Diablo Tune. But there you go. But yo, that's all I have for y'all, man. I just want to install that and show y'all what I'm doing to this truck. But man, I'm doing a giveaway at 50 subs, man. When I get to 50 subs, I think I'm gonna do a range technology giveaway. But yo, man, y'all stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell, man. When I drop these videos, y'all get notified. But your boy out. Peace.